Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix high CPU usage in Battlefield 6 on PC. This simple tweak will help improve your performance and reduce stutters or overheating issues while playing. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu and type Notepad, then click to open it. Now copy and paste these 5 lines into Notepad. I'll also leave these lines in the description below so you can easily copy them. Step 2. Find your CPU core and thread count. Now it's important to adjust these numbers for your system. Here's how you find the correct values. Open the Start menu and type Task Manager, then click Open. In Task Manager, click on the Performance tab on the left. Select CPU. You'll see 2 numbers here, cores and logical processors. Whatever number you see under cores, type that same number in the first 2 lines of the file. And whatever number you see under logical processors, use that in the last line. Example, if your CPU shows 10 cores and 20 logical processors, your file should look like this. For me, it's 8, 8, and 16. Once you've entered your values, click on File at the top and select Save As. Navigate to the following location. Open your Steam library folder. Open Steam Apps. Open Common. Open Battlefield 6. At the bottom, change the Save As Type option to All Files. Then name the file exactly as user.cfg and click Save. Close everything and relaunch Battlefield 6. Your new configuration file will automatically load and optimize CPU usage. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know if this fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.